Burdett, the co-defendant and former law partner of Orleans District Attorney Jason Williams, today avoided a federal prison sentence when a judge imposed 5 years probation for her tax fraud crimes. Last year, a jury acquitted Williams and Burdett of 10 counts in a tax fraud case. But that same jury found Burdett guilty of falsifying personal returns in a separate indictment.